For manufacturers looking to implement flow in their plants, the challenges with processes and systems can feel insurmountable. Achieving flow is not only about achieving the shortest possible lead time, but also about maintaining productivity and high quality. Challenges exist like significant costs, multiple integrations, and fragmented data. PwC's advanced manufacturing capabilities, enabled by Oracle technology, can help by facilitating human-to-machine interactions, machine-to-machine interactions, and supervisor scheduling in a flow manufacturing environment. Utilizing a common data model, it can provide work order sequencing and line allocation, product sequencing rules, feeder line synchronization, sequential line-based picking, and target versus tact time tracking. Supervisors should no longer have to rely on offline spreadsheets, as the system helps automatically sequence work orders and allocates them to specific production lines based on throughput and line availability. The rules-based engine can be sequenced to help meet various customer needs, such as mixed model or bottleneck operation sequencing. A typical process might look like: a plant supervisor selects a line scheduling rule which sequences the production for that line and can override any expedited orders. Schedule is released for that production line so the feeder lines are balanced. On-demand picking based on sequence of work traveling down that line based on tact time. Leveraging a touchscreen tablet and scanner, work is recorded as it flows down the production line. For many capital-intensive operations, IoT capabilities can automatically record work being done at that specific operation. PwC's advanced manufacturing capabilities can help provide ease of execution throughout various manufacturing industries. Connected in one central location across applications, and typically with no translation or cross-references needed, giving you process standardization on multiple layers. For flow manufacturing, maintaining a constant rhythm and heartbeat of the line is of great importance. PwC's advanced manufacturing capabilities can provide real-time monitoring for that line, enhancing throughput. Learn more about how PwC's advanced manufacturing capabilities can help.